So we got here is some index 11 injectors. They are used, but you got them for a great deal. Pay $200 for all 6. So I want to give you guys a rundown on how to get those back to operating speed. So first thing you want to do is you want to purchase a 6-pack of the O-ring set, which I just dropped there. Can't lose them bad boys. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to buy the decoupling elements. I'm going to buy 12 of those, and those are these rings that get loose over time. So what you want to go ahead is when you get these injectors and they're used, you're going to have the old seal. It's going to be really hard, and that has to come off. So what I do for that, I use a blade, slice right down the middle there, which I've already done. It's pretty easy to do. And then you just simply, use a blade or whatever to scrape it off. Let me get that off really quick. Okay, well, you got that off. Put that to the side. And then you want to go ahead and grab one of your new rings. Now the problem is going to be that these rings don't go exactly over top, and they're pretty hard. Although they're brand new, they're not really squishy. So what you want to do is you want to grab a pen of some sort that has like a, like a head like this, where you can insert. What I use personally for this is actually this bottle that is Loctite. I just push it down with both hands, of course. Let me get that really quick, see if you guys can see that. Just push that thing down as far as I can on here. And then what that will do is we'll stretch it out enough to get it on top of this. So let me do that 1 second. I'll pull it and it'll bounce back, which is perfect. And then hopefully that should be just enough, and it actually will be. So then you just kind of have to work out over the tip. Don't force it in if it doesn't want to go through, but so I just need just a little more width. That should do it right there. You're gonna see the head, and then you're gonna just work your way. You don't want to make it too loose though, because then it's gonna be your next step is gonna be a struggle. This step is already a struggle. All right. So now that we got them bad boy on, so you see it's gonna spin around like this. Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to grab some duct tape. And we want to shrink this bad boy back to size. So starting from any side, grab it, make it as tight as possible. You have to pull and twist, pull and twist. Press down, just pulling. The key is to compress that ring back in there. So that's what we're working on right now. Okay, we'll go around maybe 7-8 times. The key is you want a lot of pressure on this. So now that I got it like that, I give the last turn really hard. So I'm gonna grab this bad boy, hold, and wrap it around. All right, cool. Now it should look something like this. And people say you can leave it for 5 minutes. I'm not really in a rush, so I'm actually gonna leave it on there for about an hour or so, maybe longer. but 5 minutes, this should do the trick. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out these old decoupling elements and I'm gonna replace them with new ones. So I got a pack of those. And then you just want to slide those bad boys right back in there. These feel a little loose too, but it is what it is, right? So there it is. So I do have another injector here that I can pull off the tape, which I've already done this one. Actually, let me go ahead and replace the decoupling element on this, which is super loose, with a new one. Slide that right back on here so you guys can see this. All right, it's nice and tight. Let's go ahead and take this tape off. See how tight we got this ring back on here. Okay. So it spins a little bit, but you can see it's not floating on it. So the old ones, even the old ones spun. So that's why I say leave it a little longer than what I did, which was 5 minutes, and try to get as tight as possible. Do it twice if you have to. But essentially, besides that, these bad boys are ready to go. Well, you know, the thing is they're not gonna come off of here. So as long as you got that tight seal and you were able to get it on here, but you can't get it off, that's exactly what we're looking for. So yep, that's how you save a lot of money on getting new injectors. Make sure you usually get ones that are guaranteed to work. It'll make your whole job a whole lot easier. And then you can use INPA to program these bad boys using these 6 digits right here. And let's make sure that you look at the index number, which is 11. So, all right. Good luck.